should I do this evening? I could puff a fucking blunt, I could go out drinking, but I'm already drunk and my trunk's full of weed and I reek like skunk and the phone keeps ringing. What? Oh, it's Mr. Christopher walking, calling, talking about he's coming down now to solve all my problems, about how he's bringing a volume of speed so strong it probably made me think I'm gone and fucking vanished, and managed to land on a planet where every minute seems speaking scrambled Spanish, and where every damn piece of my sanity's damaged with each and every milligram filling my hand up. Well damn it, I couldn't plan it better myself. I told him roll the fuck over, get to spreading the wealth. I shrugged my shoulders, stood up to steady myself, hung the phone up, then went to go get ready for hell. Cause yo dog, when I really wanna have a ball, I just pop a little motherfucking Adderall by mouth until I'm bouncing around the walls, up and down all the halls, all about to fall. Fuck it, dip to the ball and I'm scaring people. Get so high I'll buy shirts from American Eagle. Why? I'm not really sure, but I swear it's the evil chemical mixture that's apparently seep through the brain tissue, in control of my deep view on issues involving shit people would teach you on. If they only knew I was rocking these see-through tops with these boots, they probably geek, dude. It really doesn't matter, cause I'm really fucking madder than any hatter on Natty. I'll shatter your matter of fact, I'm a tad bit battered. It's sad, I better get out of here. I don't hear the little pitter-patter of your chitter-chatter. You might not think I'm high, but you can't see my eyes. It's like a dream, the night I might just die. I see the lights, something's wrong with me. What? I'm always called a freak, cause all I do is hit the bong all week. This weed is all I need. You might not think I'm high, but you can't see my eyes. It's like a dream, the night I might just die. I see the lights, something's wrong with me. What? I'm always called a freak, cause all I do is pop this weed. This Adderall is all I need. We're delirious, we experience physical symptoms that were never meant to give us intentions to continue binging on perilous chemicals. With visuals so clear they're appearing in digital. Staring at a mirror, thought I was invisible. I pop shrooms like a motherfucking inner tube. Stop moving, talk to the bottom of my tennis shoes. Walk into the girls' locker room of a middle school. Yell breast inspector whose chest needs bras. Chicks looking distressed, begging me to stop. 2 minutes or less, I'm arrested by 3 cops. That's the last time I ever listened to my Reebok. So please watch as we pop the top to these pills, empty them and drop the bottle off for refills at a different pharmacy, and we still can hardly keep them longer than a week, and we kill so many Dexedrine and Ritalin. It's evident we're getting it in quantity so large it's hard to fit it in the apartment. We're chilling in a larger shipment. It's always within arm's reach of the seat, just sitting in and sniffing. All of it would be a feat for Eminem. We sell it on the streets and we keep the dividends. Do speed so it seems the peak will never end. I haven't been to sleep for a week. I'm living in a tree fort with a teen whore and a mean score of weed sports and assorted LSD. Tore up from the floor up, and I know I need more, but for right now I'm talking slower than E4. I rock pockets full of hash and cash with sockets. Smash through them to take gravity bomb hits so massive after you have it, you black out, fall down and pass out. Now everybody gather round. You might not think I'm high, but you can't see my eyes. It's like a dream, the night I might just die. I see the lights, something's wrong with me. What? I'm always called a freak, cause all I do is hit the bong all week. This weed is all I need. You might not think I'm high, but you can't see my eyes. It's like a dream, the night I might just die. I see the lights, something's wrong with me. What? I'm always called a freak, cause all I do is pop this weed. This Adderall is all I need. That's all I need, weed and speed. The occasional hallucinogen. The vibes on the beat, then you know me, it's DZK.
We were sipping on wine, I could see
we taking the ring. I remember that time we were sipping on wine. I could see it in your eyes, you were feeling alive. Why I tell you I was good, why the fuck would I lie? I remember saying twice, baby, I shouldn't drive. I should let you hold the keys, baby, take them inside. If you taking my advice, baby, then you survive. Yeah, I've been looking at the sky all night, ain't see shit. Thinking how you died, but you said I could be shit. Now I'm on my grind, baby, look at me now. Look at me now, yeah. All this cash on me make 'em wanna go down. I can feel your cup, girl, I can make you slow down. I can show you up, baby, I'm a po-fo. Sipping all day, baby, what you waiting for? If you need a drink, I got your